Nice proud chest, exhaling as you pull. There we go. Trying to go forward just a little slower if you can. Nice. Good, we got 5 more. Two more. Last one. Nice. There we go. And we'll go right into our standing row with the red guy. Slight bend in those knees, proud chest, driving those elbows back.
Like this, right?
Oh, you can keep that neutral grip. Yeah, right there. There we go. Five. Good, breathe in. 5 more, trying to rock the body as little as possible. Nice. Last 3. 2 more. And 1 more, Finny. Very nice. We'll walk it on in. We'll grab that bottom band. We have our 10 and 10 on our Pallof press here. Keeping those hands together. Nice exhale forward, little split second hold. Keeping that chest up just a little higher if we can. Good. Nice. 5. 6. Good. 2 more. Last one. Good breathing. Good. We'll go right to that other side. Very good. Good. Exhaling forward. Nice proud chest. Little split second hold at the end if we can. Good. There we go. Last 3. Keep that exhale as we go forward. Nice, Finny. 2 more. Last one. Good. Very nice. We walk it on in.